Minister of Health Terrence Deyalsingh says the government has learned from its mistakes following the chaos at health centres on Wednesday on the first day of its mass vaccination drive. He responded in the Parliament on Wednesday evening during debate on a definite matter regarding government's implementation of the Mass Vaccination Programme. The minister maintained, however, that the mass vaccination drive only targeted a certain demographic.
So what the honourable member was saying, come one, come all, is simply not what was the intention. It was never a total call-out. We were very specific in saying persons over 60 come out and persons under 60 with comorbidities.
The Ministry has now implemented an alphabetical system for the mass vaccination program from today, Thursday, beginning with surnames from the letters A to E and continuing on Friday with surnames beginning with F to J. This system with letters in groups of 5 will continue into the following week. Opposition Leader Kamla Persad-Bissessar, who raised the definite matter of urgent public importance, called on the Health Minister to resign over his mishandling of the vaccine rollout.
It is clear that in order for TNT to vaccinate, Minister Deyalsingh must vacate his office. When it is that a public official has to apologize unreservedly for reckless endangerment of citizens of this country in the height of a COVID pandemic, then it is clear that the minister should resign.
Meanwhile, police officers had to be called out to disperse crowds at Morvar, St. Joseph and Barataria health centres on Thursday morning. Tempers flared when vaccine seekers learned that only 50 persons would be vaccinated on Thursday.
Mr. Deyalsingh said from A to E could get the vaccine today. I live at Champlain, so I came down this morning to get the vaccine, and I was told it was finished, and they can't tell me what to do after that.
Another pensioner expressed her frustration with the process.
Because I'm a diabetic and I had operation and all kind of thing. So I don't really know where to do again or where to go anywhere again, right? Because I can't walk properly. I have a spine operation.
Minister Deyalsingh said that persons with surnames beginning with the letters A to E who do not get vaccinated on Thursday will have to wait until those names roll around next week. The Tobago Regional Health Authority is advising members of the public that there are no walk-in vaccination stations on the island at this time. The TRHA says the second dose of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine and the first dose of Sinopharm vaccine are currently being administered at the Scarborough, Canaan and Roxborough health centres by appointment only. And these are for priority groups including older people, people with non-communicable diseases, health workers, protective services officers, caregivers, teachers, and other essential workers. The TRHA says other priority groups such as workers in the construction and the tourism sectors are being coordinated through the various associations and they will be informed of their special arrangements.